Shays, it's your old pal Mixerians here. You know it's cold out here. Why is it cold out here? Because it's raining outside, everyone. You should have fucking that awesome, but you know what? Shit, the fucking shit at the fucking minute. So what the fuck is gonna happen? Ready? Get ready? No, corn. Hey. No, you're not ready to get right. You get hurt yourself. You're slippery. Oh, it's right, corn. Gonna watch the rain, Chuckies. Watch the rain. Oh, it's already wet. Sorry about that. Shit. I love rain. I like thunder and I like lightning. I don't play with lightning because I can electrocute and I'm gonna brain dead. Oh shit. What the fuck? Ew! It's still raining, Chuckies! It's still raining! Oh shit! Oh! Look at that pouring rain outside! Yeah, it's pouring down. Hey! I don't remember. It was kind of rains like everyone. No, I'm Chase of Pop Mixerians, right, corn? I don't, I'm not gonna game room right now, so, I'm not gonna play Super Mario All-Stars right now because it's pouring down rain. I'm not gonna do that, Chuggies. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I love the thunder. I love the lightning. So, there's no lightning right now. There's no thunder right now. No. Makes it shit to happen. Wow. Okay, Chuckies. The rain's over, okay? Do not forget to click subscribe. Bye, Chuckies. Corn.